If you're into classic Volvos or just love bulletproof old engineering, this video is for you. Today we're talking about Volvo B18 engine, one of the most reliable four-cylinder engines ever built. Found in the 140 series, Amazons, Marines, and even military vehicles. This engine helped build Volvo's legendary reputation. We'll break it down from how the B18 breathes, fires, and runs to why it's so respected by mechanics worldwide.
Patrick's Garage.
Let's start from the top. What does an engine actually do? At its core, an engine is a machine that converts heat energy into mechanical energy. We burn fuel, gasoline, inside the engine. That heat expands gases, and that expansion pushes pistons. Those pistons move up and down. That's called reciprocating motion. But we need the wheels to turn, so we convert that up and down motion into rotating motion using the crankshaft. It's like a controlled explosion pushing a lever over and turning it into smooth, usable power. The B18, like most gasoline engines, works on the four-stroke cycle. That means each piston goes through four movements to complete one power cycle. Here they are. 1. Intake stroke. The intake valve opens and the piston moves down, pulling in a mix of air and fuel from the carburetor. 2. Compression stroke. The valve closes and the piston moves up, compressing the mixture into a tight space. 3. Power stroke. The spark plug fires. Boom! The fuel ignites. Pressure forces the piston down. This is where the engine makes power. Exhaust stroke. Number 4. The exhaust valve opens and the piston comes up again, pushing out the burned gases. Then it all starts over. 4 strokes, 1 complete cycle, the 2 turns of the crankshaft. In a single-cylinder engine, you only get 1 power stroke every 2 crankshaft revolutions. That's not very smooth, but the B18 is a 4-cylinder engine. That means every 180 degrees of crankshaft rotation, another cylinder is firing. It creates overlapping power strokes, keeping the engine balanced and the car running smooth. It's not just about power, it's about consistent torque, smooth acceleration, and less vibration. Now let's move to the valve train, the system that controls when air comes in and when exhaust goes out. The B18 uses an overhead valve setup, also called pushrod engine. That means the camshaft is located inside the engine block, not on the top like in newer overhead cam designs engines. Here is how it works. The camshaft spins. Lobes on the cam push up on lifters, which push long pushrods. The pushrods rock a rocker arm on top of the head. That rocker presses down on the valve stem, opening the valve. It's a beautiful chain reaction of mechanical motion. Simple, durable, easy to work on. When the cam lobe rotates away, the valve spring slams the valve shut. Each valve is normally kept closed by spring tension. When it's time to open, the cam pushes. When it's time to close, the spring takes over. Now, timing is everything. These valves need to open and close at the perfect moment. Too early or too late, and your engine loses the power, or even worse. That's where valve timing comes in. The camshaft rotates at exactly half the speed of the crankshaft. The timing gears in the B18 are cut to a perfect 2-to-1 ratio. This keeps the entire 4-stroke cycle perfectly in sync. The camshaft in the B18 is a gear-driven, not chain or belt-driven like many modern engines. There is a steel gear on the crankshaft and a larger fiber or steel gear on the camshaft. When the crank turns, it drives the camshaft smoothly and silently. These gears are marked with timing marks, little dots that must be aligned exactly during engine assembly. This gear drive system is one reason why B18 is so durable. No belts, no snap, no chains, no stretch, just precision gears doing their job. The B18 follows a firing order 1-3-4-2. That means cylinder 1 fires, then 3, then 4, then 2, then it repeats. This firing sequence balances the engine and spreads the power strokes evenly. It's another reason why these engines run so smooth and last so long. Now let's spark some life into it with the ignition system. The B18 uses a distributor with breaker points and a condenser. As the cam inside the distributor rotates, it opens and closes the points, breaking the circuit and triggering the ignition coil to fire. The coil sends high voltage electricity to the spark plug just at the right time. The distributor has a mechanical advance and vacuum advance as well, which adjusts timing based on engine speed and load. Tuning the dwell angle and ignition timing is key to keeping a B20 running at its best. The B18 originally came with SU carburetors or Zenith Stromberg, depending on the model and market. The carburetor mixes fuel and air into fine mist. It's not fuel injection, it's purely mechanical. When the intake valve opens, vacuum from the piston pulls air through the carburetor. Fuel is drawn in mixed with air and sent into the combustion chamber. Getting the right air-fuel ratio is a key to power efficiency and smooth idling. A well-tuned SU carb is incredibly responsive and simple once you understand it. The Volvo B18 is a masterpiece of mechanical engineering. It's simple, strong, and beautifully designed. With its gear-driven cam, pushrod valve train, and strong forged internals, this engine was built to last. It turns heat into motion, explosions into rotation, and old-school engineering into real-world reliability. Whether you're restoring one, rebuilding one, or just admiring it, the B18 deserves your respect. If you enjoy your B18, drop a comment below.
I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. Thanks for your support.
Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.